So in this practice, a spacecraft moving past the Earth with a speed of the 1000 meters per second turns on the searchlight straight ahead with the speed of the light c. What is the speed of the searchlight relative to the Earth? This is the Earth and the spacecraft. The speed of the 1000 meters per second. And the searchlight and moving the light traveling with the speed of light c. Then what is the speed of the searchlight relative to the Earth? Answer, like previous questions, you want some of the two speed, but this is not truth. Actually, V should be the c, speed of light. So from the constancy of the speed of light, speed of light is always 3 times 10 to 8 meter per second. This is the same for all inertial observers, independent of their velocity to the source of the light. So once the light is start moving, you want to observe the light from the spacecraft or from the space. Both observers observe the speed of light is a c, independent of the frames you get on. Then actually we have to modify the solution of the previous questions. Use this information, the constancy of the speed of light. This is the answer to these questions.